Assalamualaikum, selamat pagi. So hari ni kita dekat Dataran Wawasan Putrajaya untuk Generali Run 2025 untuk kategori 12 km. So basically depan sana tu dah punya start pen lah. So right now kita akan warm up dulu, solat dulu, dan InsyaAllah we good to go lah. Jom. So kita akan gunakan kita punya warm up lah. So untuk race hari ni obviously memang tak ada target lah, just want to bawa tempo pace, nothing to be expect lah, sebab due to lack of training. Dan memang lag lah, sebab a bit busy for my practical. So nothing to be expect, just enjoy the run. So now kita warm up. Kita dah settle warm up. This is my outfit today. So watch for the Space 3 and shoes is Asics Super Blast 2 and topi dan shades lah. So yeah, I'm ready, trying my best, no expectation, so just enjoy the Generali Run and the vibes. So see ya. So this is our friend Razik, 12 km juga. How are you feeling? Macam mana? Dah ready belum? InsyaAllah. InsyaAllah try your best Good luck. So kita dah sampai dekat starting pen. So basically itulah starting pen dia. Okay, quite far jugalah from starting line, tapi just try my best. Bismillah. Into our first hill. Setakat ni hill okay, tak ada masalah, still enjoying. Pace pun agak down sikit sebab nak keluar daripada pack. Tak apalah, follow. km 790. First photo session. 2 km 6:58. Doing good so far. Okay, ready? Let's go. Downhill. On to our first very uphill pertama. Let's focus up. Going our second downhill. So far masih boleh senyum. Boleh senyum tak, Adik? Masih boleh senyum. Come on. On to almost 3k. 3 km 6.53. So far so good. Jom. Dah pagi. So far so good. Untuk 4 km pula. Currently bawah flyover. km 6:47. Still okay. Third downhill. So far masih okay. So far so good. Please enjoy. Like I said, nothing to be target off. Jom. Okay, 5 km 6:45. Still okay. 7 km to go. Oh, flyover. Another second flyover bawah. Uphill yang keberapa tak ingat. Tapi tak skip dah. Masih okey lah uphill. Depan sana ada downhill. Okay, my friend. Still okay tak? Jom. Water station. Nampak no plus. Boleh okey lah. Botol air pun nak buang. So, jom. 6 km 7 flat. Berhenti dekat water station ni. Jom. Masih okey. 7 km 6:42. So far so good lagi. Another 5 km to go. Okay, partner. Respon sikit. Let's go. First energy gen 1 je lah. Sebab 12 km ni okay. Sedap. Wah. Kimono. Tanah dah kering. Geng-geng 21. Ini yang ditakut-takutkan masa cramping. From the Tasik. Four km left. Let's go. Go into our ni series uphill lah. Slowkan cadence, faster cadence with small stride. Downhill. Bila downhill kena. Kenapa sih? Relax. Kena relax, kena attack. 8 km 6.45. Another 4 km to go. Ini uphill jahat. Okay, on to the third water station. Last water station. Jom. Settle water station. Let's pump up. Let's go. 8 km 7-11. Berhenti kat water station, so slow sikit. Now ada downhill kat depan. Kita akan attack untuk cover up balik kita punya average space. Let's go. Nice view. Okay, downhill. Sana member. Let's go. Last 2 km. Jom. 10 km 6.36. 3 km to go. Let's wrap it up. km 6.44. Last km. Jom, try shift as much as we can. Jom. To the last km. Try shift 5 lebih lah. We'll see how it goes. Thank you. Almost to the finishing line. Dah settle. Tadi last KM dapat 5.49. So ya, kita tengok sekejap lagi kita punya data. Jom. Okay, 12 km, average pace 6.47. So memang target kita tempo kan. So dapat. Okay, 100% efficiency. 12 km 21 next. Let's go. Okay, settle 12 km. This is the medal, warna silver, 12k. Okay lah, quite cantik lah dia punya medal. So settle. Okay, alhamdulillah. Jadi untuk race recap kita, aku rasa event ni okey. Cuma kurang dia dari segi water station dia pakai botol, dia punya mineral. Under plus pakai cawan, tapi dia punya mineral pakai botol, which is aku kena pegang around 4 km untuk pegang air tu. Jadi kurang memberangsang lah. Tapi dari segi jaga trafik, dari segi event punya kemeriahan, semua aku rasa happy lah. So with RM55 only, saya rasa aku boleh katakan event ni memang worth every money lah. Memang seronok, the vibe, enjoy, semua happy. Banyaklah booth aku nak try tengok. Tapi I hope you guys enjoy the video. InsyaAllah on 29 June I will take on half marathon lah dekat Negeri Sembilan. So wish me luck. I'll see you guys on the next video. Let's go. Bye bye. See ya.